Hi guys, it's Holy Cat back here today. I haven't posted in a little while. And today I'm going to unbox this. It's fidget toys and they're animals. I dyed my hair purple on the weekend. First, we're going to be doing these three. I think I'm going to do the snake first. Oh, that's cool. Its tongue's stretchy. Its eye moves. Oh! Okay, that's how we do it. Okay. Is that all it does? I'm going to be rating this 10 to 0. 0 to 10. Oh, wow, I think I just broke it. Or it's supposed to come apart. Oh, and it comes apart. That's cool. I'm going to rate this one a 5. I don't know how to put it back. Oh my gosh. Yeah, totally did it right. Yeah. This okay. Its legs move. You go there. 5. Its legs move. Its ears are prickly. Oh, its ears move when... Oh. The ears make the eyes move. That's weird. And the nose comes out. Oh, what did I just do? Oh, the tail moves too. The legs move. The ears move with the tail. And the nose moves. Look. And I move this ear. And the bottom moves. Okay, chameleon. Oh. It's another tongue one. Okay. What do I do with this one? Its eyes can move. Okay, that's beautiful. Oh, wow. What? Oh. Well, that's interesting. So first, move the eyes. Then you can push down on this. Oh, and its tongue comes out. Hey, ching, 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 ping. And its eye can move. I'm gonna rate this cat one. I don't like the ears. I wish it could move all the way around, so I'm gonna rate it a 7. This guy, I really like him because he squeezes his tongue out. He moves his eyeballs. I'm gonna rate him a 10. Okay. Now to bring the packaging back. We got the dog, the monkey with a boot. That's interesting. Oh look, its ears go up. Does its tongue go out? Oh, it's a mini pop tube and its ears move. I don't really like this, so I'm going to rate a 1. Okay, now for the monkey. moves its ears. Okay. And it's got booty cheeks. Little puppets. But I don't know. Oh, that makes sense. So when you squeeze the booties, there's no way to get it out. But if you move your ears back, oh no. Oh no, it's not working. Still not working. Does anything else does something? Well, you gotta squeeze them right back for them to pop. I'm gonna rate this. Oh, its tail's moved too. Oh, that's weird. So the monkey is like that, and when you twist the tail, the eyes move with it. And then when you flip the ears forward, you gotta press the booty cheeks, the puppets at the back of the booty cheeks, and then you gotta press the ears back forward. Oof, the booty cheeks come back. And I don't get who would want this one. There must be something that I don't know. Oh, if you lift up the tongue, I'm pretty sure it's, oh, seriously? This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and like.